drying out.
Is the mugginess moving into the studio? We all just keep coughing in here, sneezing. It's definitely a rough morning. A lot of coughing.
It is sticky inside, so
yeah, the air quality not good in here, I would say.
Yeah, it is yucky.
We should do a test of the air quality index just in here.
It is absolutely yucky everywhere. You really need to be blasting the AC this morning.
We keep running for water.
Yes, we have had to run and hydrate so many times in here this morning already, and it has been, it's rough. So yes, you need to stay hydrated outside.
Stay hydrated out there. Good reminder for everyone out there.
If we're dying today, you will be too.
All right, we're going to keep pushing through. As always, thank you, Skylar. 6:20 now to entertainment news. Let's hear this.